Good morning, dear students. Welcome back once again. Saha Shahid is here with you for the third online session of English literature. Dear students, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try, and we have tried, and by the grace of Allah, stepping towards accomplishment. I'm sure you won't have any problem in the previous lecture. We have ended reading and explanation of unit number 1. Now, without wasting a single moment, we have to get on our ways and we have to start the next exercise, which is the comprehension exercise B of your book. Comprehension exercise A is already done in the form of notes, and I hope you would have got those notes. Then we have comprehension exercise B. Choose the correct answer for the following statements. This should be done on the book with pencil, so I would urge you all to pick up your pencils in your hands. The first one is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Umar, "Go and repay him his loan," and gave him 20 saw extra. In this sentence, him refers to, him is a pronoun which refers to A. Rabbi Zaid, B. Abu Sufyan, C. Hazrat Umar, and D. Hazrat Usman Razila Ta'ala. So this incident is directly related to Rabbi Zaid, so A would be the right option. Second one, the tolerance of Holy Prophet ﷺ knew no bounds. In this sentence, the phrase knew no bounds means his tolerance was immeasurable for the Muslims. Immeasurable means it couldn't be measured. B. His tolerance was not confined to Muslims only. Confined mean limited. C. His tolerance was restricted to Muslims only. His tolerance was confined to Muslims only. Confined, restricted, and limited, these are having the same meaning. So B would be the right option. His tolerance was not confined or limited to the Muslims only. It was also for the people of other people who belong to the other religions, idol worshippers, Hindus, Christians, for all. Third one is the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, Muslim is he from whose hand and tongue the Muslims are safe. This hadith means a true Muslim does not hurt Muslim physically and mentally. A true Muslim does not use bad mouth or curse anybody. A true Muslim does not beat or injure anybody with his hands. A true Muslim does not trouble anybody mentally. So we are talking about hand and tongue, so definitely it's physical or emotional harm. So A should be the right option here. Fourth one, truly he is an epitome of tolerance, forgiveness, patience, and compassion. The word epitome in this sentence means A is the essence, which is the most vital part of an idea. B is embodiment. Embodiment is the new personification of a familiar idea. Both the words are linked with the idea. C is contrary, its opposite word. D is example. So D should be the right option. Epitome means example. Fifth one, the Prophet ﷺ granted general amnesty to the entire population of Makkah. The word amnesty in this sentence means patience, forgiveness, tolerance, or acceptance. So B is the right option. Amnesty means forgiveness.